think our network is not yet stable right now. Let's see. Okay, we are live. Now I will send the link of the live stream to the community. All right. Just give me 30 minutes. All right now. You can bring your seat here. Okay? So, if our network is not stable, then we have no option than to just put an end to the live stream. Yeah. Let's try again. This is not going well. The network keeps on moving up and down. Anyway, let's see what we have. I already analyzed BTC this morning and I said I'm still looking out for a sell to the downside, and this is what we are having right now. The sell is still active. The sell is still active. It's still gonna go down. It's gonna go down, 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 down. It's going to go down. It's time for it to go down. So let's share. Okay. And then to the okay. Let's see. We have the, it's still going to go down. Let's go down. Let's check on gold. Gold is now the point of interest. If you the 5 minutes is showing us a kind of fair value gap, whatever you call it, right here. So it's at the point of interest now. At the point of interest. Yes, we have pushed into this zone. So let's see how far price can go. Let's see how far price can go. We've pushed into that level. Pushed into that level. Are we still live? This is getting serious. This is getting serious. This is getting serious. GBP USD. The sell move continues all the way down. The sell move continues all the way down. It's still gonna go down, 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 even though there's an order block right there. But this order block, the fair value gap has been used, so it is less strong to push price being used, but price was unable to take out of this high. So for the fact price rallied from this level all the way to this high and price failed to break above this high, it's an indication this level is a strong supply zone. It's a strong supply zone. It's a strong supply zone. And one of the reasons, after I saw rejections, I went for shorts. I swear I'm still bearish on GBP yen. I'm still bearish on GBP yen. No. I'm bearish on GBP yen. If we are unable to stream properly on this live. No, I think I have no alternative than to just get our hands on the on TikTok, so that we can just use a TikTok right here. So I'm gonna open the TikTok like right, settings up. I'm still bearish on GBP yen. I'm still bearish on GBP yen. And the GBP Canada, whoa, it's going down, going down, going down, going down, going down. This level has rejected based on what I want to see. Rejected, rejected, rejected. Okay. GBP Canada, I support a bearish move. I support a bearish move. I support a bearish move. Now we have this. Let's see how far price can go. And the Euro Canada as well, I support a bearish move. Wow, I think things are trying to play out now. Euro Canada is also having a rejection. Let's check it out. This level all the way up. There's 3:1 ratio. But I am not yet comfortable for a sell on Euro Canada because I haven't seen liquidity taken out in this market. Set to sell on Euro card. Likewise on GBP Canada, I can see selling sentiment building up. I'm not yet interested. Not yet interested. Not yet interested. I'm just seeing kind of a you guys can use the comment box. You can use the comment box to suggest any assets you want us to analyze. Because all what I'm seeing right now is I'm seeing possible sell on GBP Canada. I'm seeing possible sell on GBP Canada. So but this confirmation has to come from the 4-hour chart. So we have price rally to this level, comes all the way down, goes all the way again, then it's rejecting right here, giving us like a double top. Let's show the day chart. This is the day chart. We are having something like this from the day chart. You're having something like this from the day chart. We are having supply at this zone. There are a series of supplies here. Supply. We got a strong supply here. Look how we broke this level. We broke this supply level all the way down through this bar. We tested this supply zone once again, and we finding it difficult for price to go above, although we already had a bearish engulfing bar on the day chart, but price still went all to take liquidity at the top of this bearish, like a bearish engulfing bar. So let's check the weekly charts. The weekly chart is strongly bullish. Wow. So if this week we have to see a strong technical reason to sell, and whenever price is bullish in the last week or the previous weeks, it is good to always see a strong technical bar the following week to sell if we want to sell, because selling could just be a retracement for the continuation of the previous week. Yes, that is why you got to be very, very careful. So I'm still monitoring this. I'm not yet convinced for a sell. The day chart, the day chart, the 4 hour, the 4 hour chart, the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart is experiencing a huge sell, which is obvious than all we got right here. So now, is there a way we can look for a kind of a retracement? And the 4 hour chart, yeah, whereby we can have, okay, let's check it out. I'm just looking for a way we can approach this trade right here. Okay, if we approach it this way, that will be 2 raised to raw ratios, or 6.2 raised to raw ratio setup. 6 point. Okay, let's just check that. We have to wait for the end of this 4 hour. If 4 hour can give us a bearish engulfing, I think that will be the first technical reason to look out for possible sell. But right now, based on what I'm seeing on this price chart right now, I'm still not yet convinced for a sell. I'll just hold on to my GBP yen sell and manage my trade, and my GBP USD and manage my trade. Right? Let's check Eurocard. Eurocard is giving us weak at the top, but I want liquidity to be taken out. I haven't seen liquidity because I know there are a lot of liquidity resting above these zones. Liquidity are resting above these zones. Liquidity are resting above this zone. So I really want to see price taking out this liquidity before we look out for sale. Without that, I am not interested. Without that, I am not interested for any sell. Not interested for any sell. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's go for another currency. Let's check another switch. Nothing realistic right there. New Zealand switch. Nothing. New Zealand, Canada. Nothing. AUD card. Nothing is going on. AUD switch. Not seeing anything right here. Euro switch, just a choppy market. Euro AUD still bullish. Still trying to see Euro card. So for now, you gotta have to focus on Euro card and GBP card. I can see those are the currency pairs right now, which are having possible trade opportunity. Apart from that, I can't see anything realistic again in the market. Okay, so the market is just kind of very boring now, boring round, so traders have to be very careful. Let's check gold. Scalpers, day traders can monitor gold. Yes, monitor gold if you are a gold trader. I'm still going to hold on to my sell on GBP USD and GBP yen. I'm still going to hold on to my sell. I'm not going to let any market take away my profit. So Euro USD, nothing. Okay. Euro GBP, nothing is going on Euro GBP, although we can see some buy sentiment based on the demand we have at the bottom, but this time I kind of trading, even though I know there's demand right here, but I'm not gonna take this type of trade. I'm not gonna take this type of trade. Let's go to 15-minute chart. Yes, came back. AUD USD. New Zealand USD, AUD New Zealand, no. USD card, nothing yet. USD yen, nothing. USD Swiss, nothing. GBP JPY is still gonna go down. Euro yen, nothing. AUD yen still going down. Still going down. I see AUD yen using this zone like a kind of trap zone, possible trap zone. Possible trap zone, if possible, something like this. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing on AUD yen. Yeah, so that's what I have on AUD yen. You can check it out. And let's check BTC. BTC. I haven't seen any reason to go long on BTC. I haven't seen any reason to go long on BTC. No. I haven't seen a reason to go long on BTC. No, 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 no. I'm not going to fall for this trap. No, no, it's not a trap for me. It's a trap for inexperienced trader. So the month of August is a kind of a very, kind of a very complex month of trading. So you just have to exercise patience. Now, focus on GBP Canada and Euro Canada. Focus on that. Focus on that. So we clear this out first. Clear this out. We zoom in. We saw how price was being rejected from the zone. We go to the day chart to see what has happened. Okay. Went to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we can see this kind of a doji. Let's check last month. Bullish. There are supplies all above. Let's check the highs of each reversal. Sell. Let's check the days. Sell. Sell. Always going up. It's going up. Sell. It's going, taking out liquidity from the top, taking it out from the top, taking it out on the top. Now, taking out from the top. This is kind of very complex. But anyways, I can see a sell on GB Canada for those who want to sell. There's a sell on GB Canada for those who want to sell. I could have gotten in, but I already have 2 sells on GBP and another sell, 1 sell on GBP USD. So to prevent myself from taking too much sell on GBP currency pairs, I just have to stick to the 3 sells I have on GBP. The 2 sells, I have 2 sells on GBP yen and 1 sell on GBP USD. So I think I just have to stay with that, because if GBP is going down, if GBP USD is going down and the GBP yen is going down, I think I'm still in direction of the market trend. So I necessarily don't need to open another position on GBP Canada. If I do that, it means I don't understand what risk is all about. So those who want to sell, they can look out for a sell on GBP Canada. But the sell should be validated after the close of these 4-hour candlesticks. Because if you want to use the 1-hour chart right now, the 1-hour chart has moved too far. Alternatively, you could wait for a retracement in this level right here. Yes, a retracement will be better. So GB card, let's check it out. GB card, if price can retrace, let's check the 1-hour. If price can retrace to this level once again to take some liquidity, then that would be nice. So that is it. So guys, GB Canada, there is a sell right here. Just wait for retracement on 1 hour, but it will be better after the close of 4-hour candlesticks. So the 4-hour candlestick is right here. The 4-hour candlestick is right here based on what we can see. This is the high of last week. We push into this high to give it like a double top. So if you are going to sell, you have to look out for your entry. If you are taking your entry at this zone, this is kind of be 4:1 ratio. No, I don't want to do that. Instead, I want a kind of medium whereby I can have like a 6. So if I'm having like a 6, yeah. So that is it. All right, guys, this is what I would like to share with you. So check your chart after the 4-hour is done to see if the 4-hour has been confirmed. And I will see you all in the next one. Use the link down below to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you would like to see more videos of on how to trade. All right, peace.